I love the process of this art piece. I hope you will also like this process. Let's just start. I'm using the old page. Usually, when I have some leftover paints, I just wipe my brushes on the blank pages, and then later on, I use them in my new artwork. So, this is one of them. I had some red and white acrylic paint and then wiped it off on the paper. And here I'm using the old book paper. I cut it into different sizes of circle. I'm using glue to stick it here and there to create some nice composition. And the amazing part in this art piece that I'm using chalk pastels. And these chalk pastels are really fun to use. I started from the light color and smudged it with finger so it looks like a little bit dark to light. And I really like the effect of how these chalk pastel they smudged nicely, and I'm planning to go with the light to dark effect. This is the first time I'm using chalk pastel in my artwork, and this is the experimental page actually. I used acrylic paint in the background, and I did not record this one, but I remember that I layered it with the clear gesso first, and then I'm working with another layer of collage pieces and chalk pastel. It allows this clear gesso actually allows me to add more layer of medium on this surface. So you can see that blending chalk pastel with different colors, it's really fun, and you can easily add multiple layers on top of it. I'm trying to create different types of flowers, simple flowers, so it will be easier for me to work with the chalk pastels. And some more purple color just to blend here and there to hide little bit red, because there is too much red visible in the background. Now I think I feel like I have used enough colors, so this is the final layer of my chalk pastel, and I'm using black to give final touch of it. And you can see that little chalk pastel creates really dark effect, so you have to be very careful and go a little slow. You don't have to rush. And you can see that I'm using my different fingers, not only the same finger. I also have a wet wipe next to me, so if I'm using one color and if I have to use the same finger to smudge the chalk pastel, I wipe off my finger and then smudge it with another color. So in that way you will get the desired color what you are aiming for. So otherwise you will mixed up all the colors and it won't look like what you are aiming for. So white color I will use at the end to add a little bit more shine on it. But yes, black definitely I would suggest you to use at the end, because it gives the final touch to your work. And look how nicely it's smudging and creating sort of 3D effect to my work actually, and I love it. So I think I'm done with this layer of chalk pastel now. I'm using Posca pen, black marker, just to add some mark making and create little interest to my page. And here I'm just writing the random abstract English words. It does not mean anything. It just add little interesting effect to my artwork. And I will also be adding a little bit more details in these mark making with different colors. Yeah, green looks nice because green is a good color combination with yellow and red. So I think I'm gonna use green now with black and little bit white at the end to give more um, lighter effect, a little bit shine to my work. Here I'm using golden Posca pen just to add a little bit golden touch to my page, and I don't want to add too much. For me it looks really really good up till now. Just little bit touches of gold, um, because I don't want to hide the layer I have done with acrylic and chalk pastels. A little bit mark making with black marker to balance the gold. Here I'm using pre-cut butterflies, um, not butterflies, butterfly. Yeah, I think this size is good. So uh, now at the end I always use a sentiment to my artwork. If I'm using any collages or embellishment for my artwork, I always place them without gluing them on the surface to look and estimate how they look, or if I have to move them here and there. So at the end, I just finalize and glue them for the final touch. Adding a little bit outline with black marker, it gives a little definition to my sentence and it looks more prominent. I hope this artwork inspires you and encourages you to create something in your sketchbook and feel wonderful, like I'm feeling wonderful right now. Playing with colors and creating some art using collages, it really makes me feel happy. At the end, I feel like I need to add a little bit dark outline around this butterfly to just define the butterfly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.